Good morning, students. Welcome to today's geography class. Ngasi di geography class na mayam utara ngujari. Nahangi di maka continue chawjar ko ena hariba ay ko land transport da ahum lagi bani land transport. Tang ay remind you. Let me just give you a small recap of before class. So land transport ahum lagi bani aduda akoina roadways na nam loi kre railways loi kre. So ahum suba pipeline. So I'm going to continue the topic pipeline. Ngasi ay continue to deliver topic se pipeline haba topic tu ni hai ba pipeline topic si dagi ay napiga da question amakhak lai which was asked in 2018 metric exam. 2018 metric exam na dhebu question ni am dhebu question tu mata ai hara sida ijarage. Okay, question is there. Write the advantages of pipeline transport. Pipeline transport ki khudong chaba my advantages ani ang iyo ni. Pipeline se kaya pipe ki mating na. Ape mani pudo uri base pipe ki mating na ko ayam matab da ising bugo kumba cable wire kumba bugo ui. Adu sida nainari ba pipeline is not that adu magpinate sida ko maru ni pudo se. Ape crude oil, natural gas, hai bising ja ko na pipeline mating na. State amada country amada power when a pipe making pudri pipeline transport. So advantages kari no na hamuli 2018. So here is the answer. Pipeline have a topic to be first paragraph is second line view. Even solid like iron ore can be transported by pipeline after converting them into slurry. Iron ore from a pipeline mating na pubi ay lamang da scale follow. Kaya mo slurry mo slurry means melting or mahi mo alaga ma pipeline mating pubi ay is a kind of advantage. Now yung kasaba point ako'y key answer to yung iba point say this is an inexpensive mode of transport. Yang na hong makagi pambay niya inexpensive oil pambay mo kada may pipeline di transport. So another point. It rules out transshipment uses or delays. Pipeline ni mating na ito na po putong kusing to basa. Masih panthan banai delay to hindi panthan banai hindi mang banai. Masih advantage sini pipeline transport sina ito na biging. Now sida si question si answer si loye adu pipeline mata na kajita na ay jaramge. Ako ijada pipeline mayamang lady adu di manu di maru ay ba ahum sida pili. Ahum dungi manu dungi pipe is the longest pipeline which is known as HVJ pipeline. Ito na HVJ gas pipeline na ba? HVJ gas pipeline. Kaya di ay sina Hazira, V sina Bijepur, J sina Jagadishpur. Hazira, Bijepur, Jagadishpur. Hazira sina Gujarat rai, Bijepur sina Madhya Pradesh ka, Jagadishpur na koigi Uttar Pradesh rai. Hariba ahum sida power chaliba hariba gas pipeline se it is the longest pipeline in India. India ke highest sangba pipeline masi marak ta ko map ta locate ta waina hangba yawni ahiro sina sum hambi gani apa chapter 5 ta su you can find this in chapter 5 and chapter 4 as major pipeline locate ta waina hangba yawni anu ahiro sum khangjan di. Okay, so here we end up about the land transport. Matang kita land transport matang dan loisale. Kasi ako na hawada topic set. Mayroon siya yung water transport. Ising lami, ising ipambay. Now water transport kisu yang baru ada question hendak tak how kiba 2020 metric perkara hendak question naman lain. Ano mata ay start hanjage. Give any 2 points of advantages or importance of water transport. Hendak tahu question ni, maani video na 2020 dah hangi question ni. Give any 2 points of advantages or importance of water transport. Advantages harapia, importance harapia, even significance harapia. Have isini pambay water transport sigi yang kana ba advantage kudong jaba point ani bio habale. Lain yang loi chumna point ani yauzaraga leire hek hobuga yaw point to amdai pazarake Waterways are the cheapest means of transport and are most suitable to carry heavy and bulky materials. Mase ising lambi se paide hongba pambai ni amasu achau pot puda arum pot puthok pusin tawda lamam da carry tawda ya laiba pambai with the help of ships. Water transport masi mangagi advantage samani masi cheapest oi hong chu hongi habisu highway my advantage ni. Then ani shiba point, it is a fuel efficient and eco-friendly mode of transport. Fuel yang chada akwai thau yang chada ba amasu eco-friendly so ba environment ki maru so ba habi environment ki maru ba haiba arthadi environment so on the ba adu mamakhi pambai amasu oi ba. So you can write these 2 points. Haiba point ani se water transport ki ma advantage hoina India. Okay. So in water transport maka ina continue to water transport sida maka ani khaido e amana inland transport haba ma amana oceanic transport haba. Now I samlap na habitam ai kitang explanation ma cham bijalamge inland transport haba se karma makhi transport turen gumbada pat gumbada pukri achau gumbada chathok chasin ising gi lambi na pambai orga chathok chasin sijinraba especially in lakes and rivers adu eba taragadi madu bokani inland transport ana khangnagani aduga makha ta den khangani dobamna akoi national highway na ina han haje ki national highway na leibasi asmaina akoi india gi national waterway na le. So and there are 5 national waterway akoi national waterway manga di lei adu lai ta maru eba national waterway ahum gi maming pal adu amtang ai hajarake. National number 8 national waterway number 1 na mami tholi se ising lambi ni ko masi ganga turenda lai Allahabad tagi Haldia tan chatnaba ising lambi karam turenda ganga turenda kyam sangba ising lambi ne 1620 km sangba adugumba ising lambi ni national waterway number 1 se ganga turenda lai ni sing khangbiu akhoi general knowledge hoina su hamjati ya ba adugumba amani. National waterway number 2 sina Brahmaputra turen sidani lai base masina amka Sadia lam dagi Dubri lam si pauni mai asang bana 891 km. Now the third national highway number 3 masina apna West Coast Canal Kerala da lai masina Kota Pulam dagi Kollam mai na ta na chat da ising lambi ni mai asang bana 205 km. Asmai tore haraga inland transport che tongan ba waterway su haidi har system hai ro sin khanjandi. Now next one is oceanic transport. Any masa hajan ki bodo waterways any from khaido inland transport have ma oceanic transport has. So oceanic transport is the most important in terms of trade with other country. Atopa countries में trade to ba tamda pai ba decision to say oceanic transport sin kari kino ha ba tamda oceanic transport ma tamda kari ne nagani. We are going to focus on the different types of seaports which are located in our country. Seaport asami the port aina khangani hitang thang maru eba hitang thang khara nei kani sida adaina maru eba amani khatang khanga charaga ai haijarake major seaport che koi India 13 seaport le major seaport aina le minor seaport le mayam le hitang thang macha chalo mayam le adugi mayam degi akoina export import ki thabak ya kanna pai thadiba adu seaport hitang thang je tara ka kundoi le. Now you can see that in the map also map su yeng baya tara hundo sei mamin palak ya ha dinate mayam map su yeng biro adu aina haijaga damam sida hinterland have wahim tang aina mayam khangani bam lai haiba hitang bam achau chau base sometimes they are known as hinterland ni su khangne karino hinterland have taraga di bracket ta yawani. Do you know that hinterland is a region served by a port from where items of export are collected and tourist items of import are distributed. Hinterland has yang chawi hitang ba mane vast area ne ba man cover to is. Kamai to ba export to ga da ko chu haibadi mapalam da thado ka da ko chu mafam sida hana loi collect to bin. Adu collect to thunga mafam du sindoi sigi sina asida puba sigi sina sigi hi sida sida load to ba haina sindoi ba adu import to sala ka da ko chu haibadi mapalam dagi India da kusala ka da ko chu mafam du da han loi tungdoi ne aduga distribute to dei adu ma makhagi ithang je asibo kane hinterland na asi tamai ro sin khangjan biu. Now that's all about the waterways. Matang sila waterways matang loire yang kana bulu bedina tie. Now next one, I'm going to carry on air transport. Now matang da in air transport ta lokha charake yamna phajaba question ma su matang sila ire nushit lambi. Nushit lambi ki matang da makha jasa jarake continue to jarake. So let's see a question from textbook. Question number 4. Question number 4 of textbook. I assume your textbook and should has a maybe should be view and number sida screen that display should observe question se I have written question number 4 say pazarake why is air travel preferred in the northeastern state in India? Akwai awang mo ko Bharat sida air travel se munshi lambi sina hele na no maru kaisle se atop pambi surface transport so myan lai ni ba adu ra su awang mo ko mai kai sida air travel solution that is a head number question no kari madam no is a very good question. Now I'm going to discuss the answer. See answer kamai koi ni ha matam da air transport to first paragraph ya aur bani second line is minor ya bani air travel is most important in the northeastern state of India where mafam sida ke the difficult terrain madam ya awang ko Bharat samay am khamir duni is somewhat different from the mainland India kitang kene from the hilly area ching man me boy aduna surface transport kitang difficulty face taw then frequent flood ya to in ising jaw thopa maya tabi am chai kudingi Brahmaputra Turian se pathor padagi northeast state especially Assam se ising mundalai so last year se maya ko bildunga aduna frequent flood thopa aduna surface transport se masi cut off totally aduna air transport se madu then amana landslide मैं असम मणिपुर सुताबी नमनी नों अखोई इंगाई इन मतन नों चुबा मतन दा चिंग खाइरे दिमापुर लंबी दा चिंग खाइरे अदि चतो चसिन यादे हाना चिंगबा लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट से असिगुम से चटपे यात्रा लैंडस्लाइड नंबर चिंग खाइरे असिगुम मयाम से रेस्ट्रिक्ट द यूज ऑफ मींस ऑफ सरफेस ट्रांसपोर्ट मखा लंबी चटपे यात्रा मदुन मरम ओरे हाइरेगा पेदोरेबा मथक लंबी से हेने हेने मदु ओरपनी हाइबली एयर ट्रैवल्स हेने मदु ओरपनी मसी It's an important question. You must know. Okay, air transport ki magi dan macam mana explain tahu dulu. Air transport it is managed by two corporation. Air transport se corporation ani na manage tahu. Air transport se. Kau sudah. Air transport se it is managed by two corporation. Corporation ani na masani kaya harus biar. There is amana kaya kami apa betul Indian Navy. Amana koina Air India Indian harma Air India asma to actually see Indian se mamang dai koina Indian Airlines na khangarami adubu December 8 2005 tagi mas Indian thang haina khanagre aduba amana Air India ani to na haide corporation ani manage tawi now somewhat ani ki difference you have to say hanapi ai adu kaya kana important ni nate adu ai haipatang sandana haijaramge Indian se mas baru ada domestic service to webo what is the domestic service mayan stabi ngani akoina domestic airport international airport hena so kami is a very simple thing domestic airport habadi it can fly only all over India state amade India mun de khatang amade mapam adu paito paising ko ya domestic service people ko webo adu airport na domestic airport ko webo now international airport actually you can fly over to different country adugi airport degi atopa country da pai biya na cha atopa country degi chansala paya adu airport na international airport ni akoi gi India international airport tara na mari leire adu domestic airport na yame for the 36 above leire bani now aina hanin badi shi Indian ka Air India ka khena se kai no tai masam bijalam ge yang mana details ni haijar roige not so important adunani Indian se mas baru aina domestic service pi India mun betul paiko paising kita bakse man ayam tawi adu private airlines me am leire magi makhada thok service toba okay private airlines Indigo Kingfisher me am leire sini in SpiceJet ka leire sini adu minus service mo na service pi adu ka ama khata ka haijar me Air India na international service pi international service ai na sa haijar ki bedo mapalam da paiko paising kita tawi aduga amatanga ina ngasai Indian ki amatanga teacher abe singa hajarange they can fly over to the neighboring country also. Of course actually domestic service piri ai yaman tara pairi adubu neighboring country you can fly to Kathmandu, then Kuala Lumpur, then Colombo, asugumba lamsing sila pairi ata ke ko Bangladesh adubu neighboring country ni mas service sila taw asik na ito kambiro. Okay, ai para se losla ko ina ngasi ki losla ko ina communication se i pau photo phone ki pambai ni communication se makhal ani thon khaido i personal communication haiba ma mass communication haiba ma kasi tang ai haijarange to do ko question budi laine personal communication haiba ni for example nan na ngona phone da sir ai se suti lebra ai laudre ngana ai khangau le hana pau phori je there is kaino nang ai ga pau na ko individual machine khatam pau phono base that kind of communication is known as personal communication. Telephone na pau phone riba adudagi letter postal service na pau phone riba akoina loina ma personal communication na jingya. Mass communication habna for example na si tare mga gi pau kaino pare na Olympic game ma lai ba khoi gi kaino TV channel sing maya kuna na khangna doi ba gi pau sing na cover kari mu phone e adu maya kuna mass na khamina doi na such kind of communication is known as mass communication. Now mass communication ki component ani lai adu ki component ani to mami kari kauge ke na hambi ai adu yam lai mai ro sin what are the two main components of mass communication ki component ani se kari no have do adu the communication topic mass communication consists of print media and electronic media. Mass communication ni macha ni se print media ga electronic media. Print media ni nang tho ga thadoro. For example nang PVM se newspaper aduga electronic media na TV lere radio lere masigun sina koina kai lakani electronic media ga la smaida khitang mairo sin khangjan biro. Okay, continue to go in the last question of the last question of this unit 9 ke aroiba ekoi question of what is the difference between favorable and unfavorable balance of trade. Favorable balance of trade habsiga unfavorable balance of trade habje kari thina bagi yamna lai amai sina international trade haba topic ko yeng biro trade as me ana khambi dungai masi lalotik to international trade kari no trade is mana lai local trade and akoi khunggang degi sahar sahari khunggang puthok pusin torga trade to local trade national trade at state level trade and state amada open trade to now international trade habsi country trade between two countries have there country ani ki machine the trade torga na export import ki thabak tori base masi bukowi international trade patang sta aina sigi question se lakot sage kan samjun bo ina favorable balance of trade habsi ka unfavorable balance of trade habsi kari na bano habi yam samna ai hajara ke export habu lere import habu lere ko ta ari favorable kali kumpa import na okay ini sudah mayro sudah jadi sampai view definition ko na like picture again kali kumpa export na import ni khela ba hai ko greater than the sign ko kali kumpa export to na import to le khela ba madu ki matlab da kuni kariya na khana gani favorable balance of trade hadre kuni chi tum kanari ya na adi ona tena bala kali ma export sa wa ala import to sala bana ni mo de kusla bana hela ba adre kuni mangjare bana ke kuni dei ni pesa ting ni adu kandana unfavorable balance of trade ko mani mai chap chap definition che koi international trade is second paragraph te aur bani when the value leram daida when the value of export is more than the value of import it is called a favorable balance of trade. If the value of export is more than the value of import, it is known as unfavorable balance of trade. That's my thought. Now, here's I'm going to wind up the unit 9. Ngasi unit 9 ma ani se ngasi swaida shinjare mathangi class ta aikhoina mathangi tongan ba unit sing ati ngasi al class question dai khudingi aina quotation macha ma pizza to ngasi su aduma quotation macha ma ngai thamjaramge. Knowing is not enough, we must apply. Willing is not enough, we must do. Han ai kham ba khadana ne ai khoi kana de apply to le ku chi kham na khadale ya de aduga aina khan ba khadaya ya thabo ne to ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯇꯦꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯖꯤꯑꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯦꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ